Hello and welcome to another update video about Ripple XRP. Ripple seems to be finally getting through a key resistance level, and again made the channel members aware yesterday before it happens that there is a likely breakout at this 121 point here. And yeah, I said after that, if we break out, we can expect some impulsive move to the upside, and we touched 130, which was my next target level, which I also mentioned yesterday in the video about XRP. So that's all looking good. We are now retracing a little bit because we hit the 130, which is a key resistance level, which was resistance here before, and I think also back earlier in the days. From here, I think as we finally broken out of that pattern, this cup and handle pattern, I think we can expect further moves to the upside. I hope we don't break back into the pattern, but because we have been as high as we haven't been since yeah, pretty much for 2 months now, and before that we tried a breakout here before and tried here before, and we fell back into this cup and handle pattern or inverse head and shoulders, and you can see a larger cup and handle pattern here. Now that we have finally made it as high as we haven't made it, in the last couple of months, I think we should be good. We should be good. So the last couple of times when we tried to break out, we fell back into the pattern. Now, obviously, the next key target for me is 140. You can see that here is the high here from the 6th of September, where we made that high here at 140. So that's clearly the next target level. That has to be the next target level we have to overcome for us to move to the higher levels of around, you can talk about levels like 155, 150 first, but then also addressing the all-time high at around $2 US. So if we zoom out a little bit, you can maybe see it a little bit clearer. Down here in the right hand side, it tells me 198, but I think it was actually 196 up here on the 14th of April. That was the all-time high for XRP. So we are on our way to that, but we need to get, you can see here how far away we still are from the all-time high. We've just broken out of this pattern. There is another high, which we need to overcome, a significant one at 140. From there, we can move to these former peaks. These will be providing resistance, but also if we look at the Fib levels, the next key levels here on the Fibonacci, and that might be a bit clearer because here you have a lot of noise in that range here on the left hand side. And the key Fibonacci levels, the next one after 140, will be 165, 196, which basically is the all-time high at the 1.618 extension level, pretty much exactly the all-time high. And after that we've got 230, but that's far away. I think these will happen at some point, but it is hard to say with Ripple because of the SEC case and what kind of news come out from there. But so far it's looking good. It looks like we've finally broken out of this pattern down here, broken out of the horizontal, which has really held us back. And the last key one that we had to overcome, because we always broke back at the latest after 125. Now we've been above 125. Now I think we've retested that already on the 1 hour chart. So yeah, I'm quite pleased with that. You can see how we've just moved up quite strongly, and this was the breakout point here I talked about, where we made it from 122 to 126 in one huge candle. Actually, we made it to 128 and already came to 130 up here, which was exactly my target level. Now, obviously, on the lower term time frames now overbought, which might indicate we have to have a little bit of a consolidation here, maybe form a bull flag. On the 4 hour chart, also overbought now, clearly. But again, also the MACD is giving us a buy signal here, indicating potentially further price increases. And on the daily as well, we had the buy signal already, and I mentioned it in previous videos, which is why I was quite confident that the breakout could happen this time, especially as we had a lot of scope left on the RSI as well on the daily. So looking good. Now we need to overcome the 130 level. If you see that break, I think we can get to 140. Hopefully you liked the video. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.